Hello everyone, this is Promit and welcome to Promit Practice Zone. Today is day 5 of my 100 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to talk about a time when I worked in a group. A few months ago I had the opportunity to work on a group project with some of my classmates. However, we decided to communicate properly and divide the tasks equally among all the members. My responsibility was to organize information and help prepare presentation. During the project, I learned how important teamwork, cooperation, and communication are in achieving a common goal. Sometimes we faced many difficulties and misunderstandings, but we solved them by discussing together. One thing I really enjoyed the supportive environment within our group. Everyone tried their best to complete their work on time and help each other whenever needed. Through this experience, I became more confident, responsible, and patient. Overall, it was a very memorable and valuable experience for me. Thank you for listening.